We gon' fuck up the night. Black lights.
Hey guys, if you have not been to TedHair already, stylist salon owners, you should come down. They have the best wholesale prices. Also, the hair quality is amazing. Of myself, I'm being a brand ambassador for different vendors for hairstylists and salon owners. So the one that I'm working with now is TedHair. I've been working with them for about a year, and they sent me some lovely hair, y'all. I want y'all to see this. This is their upgraded version of a 4x4 closure. So it's a little wider than your average 4x4. I know it looks like a 5x5, but it's not. It's a 4x4. And this lace quality, honey. This is transparent lace in like a medium brown. Nice and soft and full. I want y'all to see these knots. They are small, so when it's time for me to bleach the knots, it's gonna look really good, flawless. It's gonna bleach easy because the knots are not so big. They really take their time with their individual knots. Just want y'all to see that. This is the bundles. I have a 18-inch, 20 and 22. Do y'all see how soft this hair is? Like, do y'all see this? Yes, it's really as soft as it looks. The one thing I love about their when you purchase their hair for salon owners and hairstylists, you can literally relabel it, but it comes with just a plain tag. It's just telling you like the details of the hair is 100% human, and also how to take care of the hair. So stylists that don't really have like hair care cards, they already have that attached to the bundles. That's pretty cool. So really quick, I just want to get into, this is the longest bundle. It is 22 inches and it's full all the way to the ends. And also, if you're doing custom wig, their wefts compared to other vendors that I've used, these wefts are very thin, so it will make it very seamless. And it's like, how often do you get a nice thin weft and full bundle? You don't get that many places, but TedHair has it for sure. Like, it's very consistent, very consistent. I'm using a 40 developer. I'm using Blonde Brilliance Bleach. You need a bowl, your foil, to be able to help your bleach not oxidize so quickly and keep all the heat inside. Also, a popsicle stick. I use that to spread the product on the knots, and a whisker to mix the product. And I also go in with a Beautiful Rebel melting spray. I just spray a tad bit on the hair just to take all the flyaways away, because you don't want hair flying everywhere while you're trying to bleach your knots, because you could color that hair as well. So let's get started. 4x5 closure looks like without it being plucked. It looks pretty good. However, I still like my plucking to be done a little bit differently. So as you can see here, the way that I pluck my hairline, I usually do 2 or 3 small sections starting from the hairline and working my way back. And I will pluck sporadically, not in one spot, but I will just pluck in that section, just move around. I am a very loyal customer with TedHair, and I plan to continue with them. I feel like each stylist and salon owner has their own preference when it comes to that. So here is mine. I love the outcome. The hair is silky and soft. It's a natural virgin hair. So you won't see any of the gray strands in between the hair. All the cuticles go in one direction. When I tell y'all it's soft, it is super soft. So this is the key to getting a desired look. My weaving technique, I just do three strands per section, and this will literally get me as much as color as I want in between the black. So after weaving out my highlights, I'm just going to put my foil underneath, and I'm going to start at the hair shaft of the hair, which is the middle. The hair tends to take longer to color there, so it's always good to start there, and also make sure that you fully saturate the hair. Otherwise, the hair will be spotty and you'll see some black spots and some blonde spots.